Hi, welcome everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Glad to have you here. So today in this video, we're going to be talking all about how to control the contact. And so here's what I'm talking about. Have you ever went out networking or you met someone and they were going to maybe talk to you about getting a contract with them or whatever it looks like. You guys are going to build some type of relationship to work together on projects together, whatever it looks like. And then you just never ever hear from them, and how do you reach them? You didn't get their card, you gave them your card, that kind of thing. And it's like you're waiting on them to reach out to you to give you an opportunity. Well, who wants to do that? No. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to control the communication flow with prospective opportunities or relationships that you're building, people that you meet out networking or in your day-to-day. All right, so here's how to control the communication flow. All right, so by the end of this video, you will have the steps to help you start building key relationships that you'll need down the road. All right, here we go. And for those of you that don't know who I am, I'm Felicia Streeter over at FeliciaStreeter.com, and I have a signature program that I've created all about government contracting called the Contractor's Edge Bootcamp. All right, so here's what we're going to be talking about today: contract or controlling the I'm tongue-tied. So here's how to control the contact flow, or if you will, the communication flow, whatever works for you. Number one, you get their contact information, okay? That's key. You get their contact information, follow up on 1 to 3 days. You're going to follow up with them from the initial time you met them. Then you're going to follow up 3 days after the first communication, okay? After that, your third follow-up will be 3 days after the second communication. Now, here's the thing. You want to have a reason to follow up. Okay, so let's recap that real quickly. All right, your first follow-up would be in the first 1 to 3 days. Your second follow-up would be 3 days after the first contact communication, right? And then your third follow-up would be 3 days after the second follow-up communication. All right, so here's what you want to do. Or let me ask you this: would you like to know how to take the awkwardness out of following up, reaching out to people? Because I know a lot of people don't like to do that. And it's like, oh, I hate reaching out to people, or I hate calling people. It's not a cold call if you met them, first of all. So get over that, okay? Just get over it. Get over it. Get over it. All right? So here's 3 reasons that you may have to follow up, right? The first thing you could talk about that first time you're following up is just really thank them for taking the time out to talk to you, right? You met them at wherever you talked to them, and just thank them for their time, right? The second time, you could ask them something about their business, right? What's going on? Do you have any new projects? What has you excited this week in your business? Whatever it looks like, but you can ask them something about their business. Who doesn't like to talk about their business? And number 3, you can continue the conversation that you guys had when you met. So maybe you talked about something in particular. Whatever that was, you can follow up on that conversation as well. So those are 3 reasons to follow up right there. Okay, now let me ask you this: would you like to know how to follow up with your contracting officers? Because it's a little bit different, right? And you're not just going to be reaching out to them to say, hey, how's your day going, kind of thing, right? So here's some things that you could reach out to your contracting officers for. Number 1, you could reintroduce your business to them, right? And something like, hey, we met 3 days ago or 1 day ago at this conference, that conference. I just wanted to share a little bit more about who I am and what I do, kind of thing, right? You could also follow up on any information that they promised to give to you, because a lot of times they may say, we have this event coming up, or this contract coming up, or I have a connection, somebody you should really meet, kind of thing. And so you just have to sometimes remind them, and you do that in the form of follow up. All right. And here's the last thing. A lot of times they keep a database, and they send out bid information, or when they're having different events or any type of events they know about, they'll send it out to their database. So if you want to be in the know of what they know, You can also ask them if they have any type of list like that that they keep, and if they would add you to that list, because you would love to know and have an opportunity to, you know, meet them again or have a conversation with them again, you know, at the next conference or trade show or whatever it looks like, right? So there you have it. Here's how to follow up with your primes, other subcontractors, and even the contracting officers. This is game changer stuff. I mean, I've been putting out some game changer stuff here lately. I think so. And people are getting results, so it has to be game changer, right? So make sure you add this on to your marketing. Whatever marketing you're doing, make sure you add this on. And if you're not doing any marketing, make sure you add this on, all right? So you got to get out and market your business. You can't be passive thinking they're going to come knock on your door. You got to get out, introduce yourself, let people know who you are, what you're doing, that kind of thing. And you can do some of it online too, hence the follow-up with the emails, right? So here's what I want you guys to do. I created a signature program. Remember I said the Contractor's Edge Boot Camp. And it's the business reset where you apply, certify, and qualify for government work in our 60-day program. Okay? So if you're interested, make sure you go over to FeliciaStreeter.com/Contractor's Edge, and I'll put a link down below in the description as well. All right, that's it for today. Go out, do some marketing, because you can do it today. You don't have to wait till tomorrow. Do it today, all right? And then I'll see you real soon back here, all right? So if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Makes my heart grow, and it just beats because, you know, we're sharing the love, right? So do that, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.